Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can import products from Amazon to Shopify. So to connect Amazon to Shopify, basically we're going to use a dedicated application so you can seamlessly import Amazon products into Shopify store with just a few clicks. So to do that, first up, log in with your Shopify account. And then here on your dashboard, go to the application section right here, and then click on this one, and then click on all recommended apps. At the bottom here, you will find Shopify App Store. So click this link right here. Now here on App Store, go to the search box at the top, and here we're going to search for Amazon Importer Spreader. So once you type right here, press enter on your keyboard. So there you have it. Now select this Amazon Importer Spreader app. As you can see, it has 4.8 stars. So once you click on this one, now you will now go to this page. So basically these apps comes at $5 per month, but you would have a 7-day free trial where you can fully rest the application with any of the plans that it offers. You will see here that some of the reviews are positive, so you can try the free trial and see how it works for you, then continue with about $5 a month on your first plan. So you just simply install this application to integrate with your Shopify store. Now, once you installed, you are now ready to start importing product from Amazon. So simply click the product button, then the app will prompt you to paste the Amazon product page URL. So we're going to open a new tab or go to Amazon website. For example, we're going to select this product. So we want to add this on your store. So what you're going to do is basically just copy this URL address, then go back to the application. Now, once you go back to Spreader app, you just need to paste that copied URL into the provided field and then click add product, then let the application work. Then it will start verifying and importing all of the necessary product details in Amazon to make sure that your store's listing is up to date. Once completed, you have now the opportunity to review the imported product details. So it will display the title, description, media files, if it has any images or videos, pricing information, or any relevant data. So once you've done and if everything meets expectation, then it's time to make it official. So scroll down and click save and add product. Then it will be adding the product to your Shopify store, making it available for customers to purchase. By leveraging the power of this integration, you have just taken a significant step towards streamlining your dropshipping business. So no need to waste more time on importing process. With the Amazon Spreader application, you can simply add a new products to your store, ensuring that your inventory stay fresh and up to date. So by automating the product import process, you will have completely freed up some valuable time and resources that can be reinvested into other areas of your business. So think of the application subscription plan as an investment. So that's how we basically import products. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.